Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 26, 2024, and we're diving into Central Garden & Pet's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Central Garden & Pet, a leader in the pet and garden industries, has just released their fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2024 results. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Central Garden & Pet reported net sales of $3.2 billion for fiscal year 2024, which is a 3% decrease compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The decrease in net sales is partly due to the absence of an extra week that benefited the previous fiscal year. Despite this, Central managed to increase their non-GAAP EPS to $2.13 from $2.07, thanks to a 110 basis point expansion in gross margin, reaching 30.0%. This improvement was driven by productivity efforts and moderating inflation.
Segment performance and challenges. How did the individual segments perform, particularly given the challenges in the market?
The pet segment saw a slight decline in sales to $1.83 billion, down 2% year over year, with operating income at $203 million. The garden segment faced more significant challenges, with sales dropping 5% to $1.37 billion and an operating loss of $29 million. The decline in the garden segment was exacerbated by inventory impairments and lower volumes.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite some setbacks, Central Garden & Pet has made strides in operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on this, John?
Indeed. Operating income for fiscal 2024 was $185 million, a 12% decrease from the previous year. However, the company generated a robust $395 million in cash flow from operations. Looking ahead, Central expects their non-GAAP EPS for fiscal 2025 to be $2.20 or better, supported by their ongoing Cost and Simplicity program, which has already shown significant progress.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 20 cents for the quarter. How did Central Garden & Pet perform against these expectations?
Central Garden & Pet significantly outperformed expectations, reporting a non-GAAP EPS of $2.13. This is a substantial beat, especially considering the forecasted loss. The company has clearly managed to navigate the challenging environment better than anticipated, which is a positive signal for investors.
Key takeaways. To wrap up, Central Garden & Pet has shown resilience in a tough market with strong earnings and a positive outlook for 2025. John, any final thoughts?
Central's ability to beat EPS expectations and maintain strong cash flow is commendable. Their strategic initiatives seem well placed to drive future growth. Investors should keep an eye on how they manage external challenges moving forward.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Central Garden & Pet's performance in the comments below.